Okay, this means forget this.
Yeah. Thanks, Luke. And it's called Better Than Leaving. I'm as blue as a cloudy winter's day. I can't smile to even say to the world I'm okay. I'm headed in the wrong direction, but even I know you don't have to tell me, 'cause I can't see it. 'Cause I've been a little better than leaving, and I'm slowly losing my mind, and I can't substitute these thoughts for anything else. But you make me positive, and you give me faith to thinking. I just wanna thank you. Well, I'm riding on a fast train in the opposite direction to my place. But who am I to say, hey, where I belong? For me and myself, for me and I don't even belong. Oh, 'cause I've been a little better than leaving, and I'm slowly losing my mind, and I can't substitute these thoughts for anything else. But you make me positive, and you give me faith to thinking. I just wanna thank you. This next song I also wrote not that long ago actually, I mean last month, so you'd be probably the second audience I've played it to. Who knows my songs better than I do? always be truthful to me. Oh, please always be truthful to me. You can bury your love beneath the sycamore tree, but please always be truthful to me. Please don't ever go astray. Oh, please don't let your love go astray. I'll compromise, even let you have your way, but please don't ever go astray. 'Cause I feel your arms, and I hold on tightly to your hand. I need you on this cold winter night. I need you in my life. Please take it on my heart. Oh, please take good care of my heart. I'll give you anything, all you have to do is ask. But please take good care of my heart. Please come me a key to your soul. Oh, please give me a key to your soul, to all the places you've always been scared to go. Oh, please come me a key to your soul. 'Cause I feel your arms, and I hold on tightly to your hand. I need you on this cold